I'm passing the phone to someone who literally snores louder than my dad.
I'm passing the phone to somebody who thinks she doesn't snore at night.
Are you gonna bring that up? I'm passing the phone to someone who literally smells like a perfume shop.
I'm passing the phone to someone that if she were what she ate, she would be a grilled cheese sandwich.
Well, I'm passing the phone to someone who always wakes up at 4 a.m. in the morning and wonders why she's so exhausted.
I'm passing the phone to somebody that makes me get up at 4 in the morning so I could have peace and quiet before she gets up.
What? Seriously? I'm passing the phone to someone who's obsessed with cars. Oh, the dogs are out! And finally, I'm passing the phone to someone who says they'll get it done in the morning but never actually gets it done.